Hello and welcome to Kuma's Kitchen, and it's been a hot week here in Japan. Yesterday I was driving in Osaka, 36 degrees, but it gets worse up in Kyoto. I was up there on Monday, 38 degrees Celsius with high humidity. Yeah, you don't want to be cooking much. So now's a great time for salads and good hearty salads like this: bread and chicken salad. Yeah, there's pieces of bread in here, baguettes. Oh, good. There are pieces of, stuck together. There we go. They're friends. They don't want to be separated. Pieces of barbecued chicken in here. Then you got mini tomatoes. Cucumbers. Red bell peppers. And it wouldn't be a Kevin Riley recipe, would it, without cheese? Some Gouda cheese in there. And then a nice simple dressing. A little bit of mustard in it. Mwah. Fantastic. Very refreshing. You can make this hours and hours ahead. You can make it just about a day ahead. Throw it in the fridge. Keep it good and chilled. You come home from work and you've got a nice, cool dinner, and yet satisfying. Perfect. Let's go in the kitchen. Make this right now. So here's the ingredients for our bread and chicken salad. Well, first of all, across the front we've got the dressing ingredients, and that is a half a teaspoon of pepper and a half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and of course that's Kewpie mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then this back here is all the fixings that are going to go in the salad. So the chicken, that is about 14 ounces of, or about 400 grams. You get about 14 to 16 ounces, so 400, 450 grams, because it's hard to get chicken in an exact amount. And this is a thigh meat. I prefer thigh meat myself, but whatever you would like in yours. And it's a barbecued chicken. So this, I just bought this at the supermarket where they make a really nice barbecued chicken. Any cooked chicken would be fine. Teriyaki chicken would be good in this, whatever. Then over here, the other ingredients. Well, across the back we've got the bread, and that is 1 baguette. I chopped it up into pieces about 3/4 of an inch. Now I did that last night. Then I just covered it with the paper bag that the baguette comes in, and that allows the bread to get just a little bit stale, which is absolutely perfect for what we want. All right, then over here, the vegetables. Well, 1 red bell pepper, coarsely chopped, 2 cucumbers, thickly sliced, about a 1/4 inch or 5 millimeters. Here I've got about, I believe this is about 28, anywhere between 25 and 30 mini tomatoes, and cut in half. Now, you don't want to count them. That's like a container about that size. So that size, a container of mini tomatoes, perfect. And then over here, I've got 6 ounces or 170 grams of Gouda cheese, and I've cut it into these kind of like little sticks, basically, about a 1/4 inch by a 1/4 inch and about 3/4 inches long. It's just kind of perfect for this salad. It's like enough there to have the good texture with that length, and thin enough to, well, go well. Anyways, let's move some of these ingredients off to one side for right now, because the first thing we're going to do is whip up the dressing. So I've got a bowl here, and all I'm going to do is just add everything into the bowl, all the dressing ingredients. So in goes the olive oil. Just going to let that drip a little bit. All right, that's the olive oil in there. In goes the vinegar. In goes the salt, the pepper, And I'm just going to use my little spatula to help me get the mayonnaise in there. Get all that good Kewpie mayo. And the Dijon mustard. All right, get all that in there. Grab a whisk. Whisk it up. And you just want to whisk it until it all comes together. Now, the nice thing about the mayonnaise, and I always put a little mayonnaise in there, and it really helps keep everything together. It helps to hold that emulsified oil and vinegar together. Otherwise, they tend to separate. So, yeah, I just like a little bit of mayo in there. All right. So that's done. All we're going to do now, toss all the salad ingredients into here. Wow, gonna be a bit much for this bowl, I think. So first thing I'm gonna do, I really need a bigger bowl. Don't have one. So what I do is, first of all, I want to toss this around because I want to get that dressing. I want to get that dressing all over the bread, especially that dry bread. Gonna soak up a bit of dressing. Get it coating some of the other ingredients in here. So I just keep tossing like this. All right, what you do is just lifting up from the bottom, get that dressing up on top there, and going around here, and just keep doing that until it looks like everything is nicely coated and the dressing has been distributed. All right, that looks pretty good. What I really always want to do is I want to make sure that the bread is getting some dressing on it. Then, now we can throw in some of the other ingredients. It'll be a little safer to do a smaller toss now. Got cheese in there, cucumbers. Oh, this is just going to be a fantastic salad. This is our dinner tonight. All right, so at this point, you're just combining everything into there, making sure that we get the cheese, the red bell peppers, the cucumber, all distributed throughout. And that's looking pretty good. There we go. That's ready. Now, the nice thing is, because I don't have any lettuce in here, which would wilt or anything like that, I've got all pretty solid ingredients in here. So I can make this in the morning, throw it in the fridge, chill it nicely, and it's ready for dinner. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. It's still morning here. I actually have a tour this afternoon. I'm taking people on a food market tour. Then I'm going to come back, and dinner is going to be all ready to go. Great. All right, if you like this recipe for a simple bread and chicken salad, well, stick around. There's a lot more original Kevin Riley recipes right here on Kuma's Kitchen all over this YouTube channel. So help yourself. Make a couple good recipes. Enjoy. And make sure that you are subscribed and you've clicked that notification bell so you never miss out on a new one coming out every Monday. Now, if you want to support more of these Kuma's Kitchen recipes, well, consider becoming a patron. Down below, patreon.com, the link is down at the bottom of the description. And hey, love to have you join us in the Patreon community because it's just a fun group in there. All right, now go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.